Hey everyone, so yeah, we're unboxing our MN98 version 2. This is the camel version. As you can see, that's the gray one, and yeah, this is what we have, the yellow one. It's a 1/12 scale. So let's remove it. There's the stickers. Got the stickers. And here is the vehicle. Oh, we have two stickers here, so that is a bonus. Nice. And this is the controller. We'll check that one later. So this one, let's unwrap this one. Reveal. There you go. It's wrapped nicely. Do it carefully. And there you go. Nice. Let's do a drop test. Drop it again. And again. Alright. So this is the first impression. It does look good. And yeah, it bounces well for out of the box crawler. Yes, it's a bit stiff, but you know, it's very affordable. You can expect a quality suspension. The tires are also good. I like it. It's grippy and it's big also. So you can see the steering servo is mounted in the axle. It's also good. And it has a good flex. Yeah, I like the tire a lot. So there you go. And it has these roof rack lights, which is awesome. It's the only model that has one. And let's open here the engine bay, where yeah, there's a battery. And this one, if I'm not mistaken, has the 1500 milliamps battery compared to other units that are less than that. And it has a hard body shell, which I like. It's like a die-cast RC, die-cast body basically. And the spare tire is also good. It's an actual tire that you can use, so that is a big plus. Yeah, very nice roof lights here. And also the roof rack is solid. It's quality. Yeah, it can hold some heavy loads there, accessories you want to put. And let's see under here, everything's plastic, but there's an upgradable parts for the MN, which I like. You can replace the entire under chassis with metal parts, oil suspension, which is cool, and even the gears. But I believe for this one, if I'm not mistaken, it has a metal gears or yeah, non-plastic gears. I have to verify that one. Don't take my word for it. But yeah, it has a big suspension travel, which I like, and it flexes good. See that one? It has a big travel. Again, solid roof rack. Very nice rear. Okay, for the controller, it's very simple one, but very straightforward. That is the steering part controller, and it has some additional grip there for one-hand control, which I like. The feel is plasticky, but yeah, not the best quality feel, but it is good. I mean, for its price, it does the job. And it's a bit foamy steering control, this one, which is also good. And what I like about the MN is its modulation. It's very smooth compared to the other models like ZP. So here are the accessories. Let's check it out. So first, we have the manual here, the Defender D90, and yeah, information about how to play the controls or operate. And here's the charger. For the battery, it's a USB connector. It does not have the adapter. And these are the accessories which we'll be installing in the next video. So make sure to click that link for the next video, part 2. This is for the lights. And this is the front bumper. So it's still plastic, and the snorkel. This is a sticker. I don't understand that one. So yeah, watch for the next video for the accessories and decals installations. I'll be doing that, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit that bell notification button.